Now in this video we'll be discussing about the text tools. The text tools, here you click on the text, so as you can see a text appear up there. I'll be very quick about it because it's having so many functions. I'm very quick about it. The first one is the stylist. You can pick from the saved one. You can pick any one you wish. If you don't want to use any of this, you can also build yours. And this is the edit sign. You can edit your text here. You can edit your text here. You can edit your text here. Delete. As soon as you press delete, the text will be deleted. This copy, it will duplicate your words, and this front to back. As soon as we continue with the lesson, you understand what it means to send image or text to front or to back. Now the next one here is position. Moving of objects or the moving of your text. Moving of object or text. Relative size, that is to very quick about moving of your text. And here is size. You can resize. You can resize your words. Then here is padding. You can center your words through here. You can center your words. Then the color section. This is the color section. The texture section. If you want to add an image to your text, you can pick any of the images here. I'm picking any image here. As you can see, it has changed. So I'm picking any image here. That's if you want to add image to your text. That's all for that. Now the opacity, that is the way the appearance your text view. You see, the more I increase it, the more boldness it is. The more I decrease it, the more it disappears. That's the appearance for your text. That's for opacity. Then rotate. You can rotate your text anywhere, anyhow you like it. You can rotate it. Then the mask. This mask is made for text design, and it makes your design looks good. That's if you know how to use it. In the master class, you will know how to use this very well. You'll be taught how to use it. That's for the mask, just to mask your words. So now the font. The next one is the font. So you can pick any font of your choice, anyone you like. You can pick any font of your choice. Then the next one is the style. Style is the style. Maybe you want to bold it, initialize it, underline it. So if you don't want to use any of it, you just click on the last one here. This B means bold. This one is initialized, underline. And if you don't want to use any of it, you cancel it here. Now to the curve. This curve will be perfectly used for logo. This curve is perfectly used for logo and also can be used in designing. Now background text. This is the background text. As you can see, that's for the background text. This is this one is center. It can maybe you want to center your write up, or you want to arrange. This is meant for arrangement. If you want to arrange your write up, that is when you have a full written write up. You can use it for arrangement, for center of arrangement. It's meant for arrangement. Spacing. We have letter spacing and word spacing. Letter spacing, it increases the space between the letters, while the word spacing increases the space between words, one or two or more words. The line spacing, if you have written things under this, maybe they are too close, then you can use the line spacing. Let me state for an example for this line spacing. The line spacing, this is the line spacing. You see that the line between it increased, so that's the line version of the line spacing. Now the stroke. Here is the stroke. You can give it a stroke. Here is stroke, and you give the stroke color. The size of the stroke, any size you wish. Now this is the shadow. You put on your shadow here. You can change the color to red, blue, white, black. You can use this. So this is your shadow. We discussed about this in the version of this in next lesson. The inner shadow, and also this is the inner shadow. Hope you can see the difference clearly, so you can see the difference between the inner shadow and the main shadow. There's a difference. Now the emboss. Yeah, the way that the solution to this is just for you to either resize this or reduce the size. See that you increase the size or you reduce the size. Or it's better you don't use it, and you can also use it, but and you can also use it if you wish. The 3D rotation, this one won't work unless you have the 3D test. So you have to put on the 3D test first. Yeah, you have to put on the 3D test on first, then you click on the 3D rotation. So you can rotate your 3D anyhow you like. Now the 3D shadow, this is it. You put it on. See, the shadow is available. You can also change the color. Now reflection. This will reflect your text. So that's all for this video. Next video. Sorry, I forget about the perspective. Yeah. So the perspective is perfectly used when doing mock-up. Yeah, you can use the perspective for mock-up design, and you can also use it, add it to your design. That's if you are good at it, you can add it to your design. You can add it to your design. can also use, so it's perfectly used for mock-up design